Hey guys, it's Zach with Detail Tech Somerset. Got a Tesla Model X in the shop today, a 22 model, coming in to get paint protection film. You probably just bought a Tesla, you're looking to buy a Tesla, or you're just curious about paint protection film in general. In this vehicle here, we're going to do Xpel Stealth, which actually changes the look of the vehicle. It's going to turn the glossy finish of the car to a satin finish, really make the car stand out, but yet have the same protection as paint protection film has. 10-year warranty, prevents rock chips, scratching, anything of that nature. Teslas are really known for bad body alignment, bad paint, and in some areas it's not even getting painted. We've done a full inspection on this vehicle. We have only one issue here on alignment on the fender, which I'll show you later. But other than that, this is actually a really exceptional one that we've seen in our shop. We're going to take you through the process from start to finish of what it consists of to do this job and what expected finish will look like on this. We're going to do the gloss on all the black trim, the stealth on all the white, change out his chrome logo to black, do ceramic tint on this. We're going to ceramic the interior and actually put paint protection film on the screens inside to prevent scratching, fingerprints and stuff like that that you normally get inside your Tesla. But yeah, come on, join us along, watch us through the process. So as I was telling you before, Tesla's really bad on the paint finish and not getting all good coverage underneath side of the bumpers and stuff like that. But in this instance, this car is very exceptional. The only imperfection that I found on here is actual alignment of our fender here. So we got a little wider gap here. It kind of tighten up, have a little overhang of the bumper. It really just needs to be tightened up just a little bit, line it back up to be good to go. But we're gonna let the customer know about it, see what he wants to do. Other than that, let's get this project started.